Morning, it's Ian, and today 6 a.m. in the morning, but honestly I don't want to wake up pa. But yes, it's still a good news because I'm back in vlogging, but only today. If you notice guys, wala ko naka-upload og mga videos. My last upload was on Sunday is because I noticed nga na ako 100 subscribers. 103 subscribers to be exact. So that's why I told myself na why shouldn't I upload kay gahulat ang uban subscribers. So yeah, it's also a way of giving back to you guys kay kung wala mo nag-watch akong videos dili pud ko makabot og 103 subscribers. So thank you kaayo guys. But before I start my vlog, I would just like to say sorry kay wala kay ko naka-upload og videos. Like sa una ga-upload kog videos kanang once a week or twice a week, but katong last couple days kay nag 1 month gid siya nga wala ko naka-upload kasi wala ko nakaingon sa inyo nga na kakuha ko og summer job. Instead of 9 a.m., I have to make an early duty, so 6 a.m. ko man eh. And yeah, this is Kuya Ramil. Hiya. So yes, tang cedar siya, so kanang magbaligya siya og mga tang, and wala pa man niabot ang mga other cedars. So
a few moments later.
So guys, we're just preparing na kay we're about to aboard na dito. And yeah, kanina na pissed off ko kay ang mga cedars in this 6 a.m. sila maabot. Iabot ng 8 a.m. then ako ang nagansi. That's why murag I'm not in the mood. Pero sige lang. Let's find out kung what would happen today. So I'm here with my friends Ariane and si Pichimi. Yeah, going na mi to. So excited na kayan.
Dili kayo.
Masyado kay twinning kay mi. Asa man imong sunglass speech?
Wala ko nang dala.
Hala ko rin wala earphones.
Twinning, mix kita twinning ko.
So muna mo sakyan guys, bongo. Wami kasagang. Fuck yeah. So we just arrived here at Lawndale, Cagayan Resort in Taguanao.
Paano?
So, my God, na-shock ko ba kaya na nagtanaw sa akong vlog.
Char!
Hi, Eng!
Hi!
I-subscribe ko, Eng, ha?
Yeah! Yeah! Magpa-subscribe ko na.
Okay, clickbait to.
Subscribe banday na. Marami.
Bang, sapon. Gabi bay, tilok gid bay. Nga ganang mga bukog yan.
Hindi nanonood ang pangarap.
Pero, so bukog lugay ha. ka.
Ako sa Riyong. Ako sa Riyong.
Mangambak ta.
Ito nga pa si Riyong. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Wala may lingaw sa mag-cheer dance me.
Cheer dance. Okay, go.
O, mag-high sa vlog! Dog or fish?
Eventually.
If you can notice, pula na kay ko. Yeah, nag-enjoy magod kaayo ko. So guys, the ticket here at Lawndale is 30 or 50 pesos. 30 if you're children or senior citizen and 50 pesos if you're a adult. So suggested time, I think mag-suggest ko nga mo mo dari morning, probably 8 AM kay gamay ra ang tao. And like ang water, di pa siya lubog. And yes, aside sa dili lubog, ma-utilize niyo tanan swimming pools. And pwede pumumuan nila ni late afternoon like 4 PM to 5 PM or maybe if you want ka mag-evening mo. So yeah, pwede pumumuan ni pero ang disadvantage lang is that murag lubog na ang tubig. Pero although they said nga flowing siya pero I don't trust issues, charot.
Hi, ginan maligo and ang CR bitaw nila kay na lang.
Yeah. Gusto siya mag-vlog pero she doesn't know how to do it. So maybe she will learn if she will watch videos in the internet. Di ba, Ing?
Yeah,
Promise.
promise.
Promise, Bing. Thank you. So this is the end of the video. We enjoyed it so much and yeah, I think I should end the video now. So if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. And I hope to see you soon, guys. So that's it. Bye.
With the shape of you.